Welcome back, Python enthusiasts. Today, we'll delve into Lambda functions in Python. Lambda functions are anonymous functions defined using the Lambda keyword. Let's jump right in. To start, let's create a simple Lambda function that doubles a given number. Here, we define a Lambda function named double that takes one argument x and returns x²2. We then call this Lambda function with an argument of 5 and print the result, which is 10. Lambda functions can also take multiple arguments. Let's create one that calculates the sum of two numbers. In this example, we define a Lambda function named add that takes two arguments x and y and returns their sum. We then call this Lambda function with arguments 3 and 4, resulting in 7. Lambda functions are commonly used in sorting operations. Let's see how we can sort a list of tuples based on the second element. Here, we have a list of tuples data. We use the sorted function to sort the list based on the second element of each tuple. We specify a Lambda function as the key argument to indicate that we want to sort based on the second element. The output is the sorted list. Lambda functions are also handy with filter operations. Let's filter out even numbers from a list using a Lambda function. In this example, we have a list of numbers. We use the filter function along with a Lambda function to filter out only the even numbers from the list. The Lambda function checks if a number is divisible by 2 with no remainder, indicating that it's even. And that's it for today's tutorial on Lambda functions in Python. We covered the basics, saw how to use Lambda functions with multiple arguments, in sorting operations, and with filter functions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!